All right, I got these Royal Oak tumbleweeds fire starters, and I'm using them on the Masterbuilt. So what I did was it was 39 degrees when I started my grill. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way. When I started my grill, so I burned through Masterbuilt 4 fire starters from Masterbuilt. It was just not heating up. The highest I got was 57 degrees. So the only thing that was open was the Family Dollar. So I shot my shot, got to the Family Dollar, seen these Royal Oak tumbleweeds, picked them up, used one. Now she's at 250 degrees. Shout out to Royal Oak. Not buying the Masterbuilt ones no more. Royal Oak, you got my money.